Hello, and thanks for watching Born Best Friends. This is London. Hi, London. This is Logan. And today, we're going to be doing an experiment using salt water, sugar water, regular tap water, and gummy bears. Hold up the gummy bears. Just your regular gummy bears, right? So Mommy is going to explain to you guys how you're going to begin this experiment. Okay?
So,
ready?
open up the gummy bears and put them in the bowl. Okay?
I can go open my gummy bear.
It's a lot of gummy bears. What color is it?
Orange, red, white, green, white, yellow, red, red.
Okay, so we're going to put them right there. I'm going to give you a salt one, a salt cup, a sugar cup, a regular cup, and a regular. So Mommy's going to put the sugar in first. So I got to get the sugar. I'm going to give y'all a little bit each, okay?
What do you guys think is going to happen with the gummy bears?
It's like so big.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
And which one? Which one do you think is going to come big in? You think it's going to go big in the salt, sugar, or the regular water?
This is the salt water.
Salt.
You think it's going to go big in the salt?
It explodes everywhere.
Yeah?
Oh my.
Let's see.
This is going to be pretty exciting.
And I'm gonna do the floss on this pan.
You want to do
You're
the
going to
floss?
floss?
You flossing?
Okay. So get 3 gummy bears. 3.
Like this. Put it in there.
Hold on.
1, 2.
And 3. Get you 3, London.
I got 3.
So put it in this one and this one. Put one in there. That's the regular water. Okay, now put it in your sugar water. Oh, you put yours in the salt water already. Put yours in the salt water.
Cool.
And then,
So let's get a look at them. Let's see. So this is how they start off. So we have a green and regular water. We have a red and sugar water. We have a yellow and salt water. Just a bowl of gummy bears. Hey, I'm gonna take one of these gummy bears, man. Can I eat one?
Yeah.
I mean, that's right. Let's do it. And we have a red and salt water for Mr. Logan. He also has another red and sugar water. And he has we're gonna call that what? A clear? And regular tap water. So we gotta set the timer for 10 minutes, okay? So we're gonna wait 10 minutes, and then when we get back, we're gonna see what happens with the gummy bears. What do you think is gonna happen, Logan?
Blow.
You think it's gonna blow? What do you think is gonna happen, London?
It's going to turn to red. It's going to turn to red in the cup.
Yeah, in the cup. You think it's gonna get smaller or bigger?
Bigger.
Oh, wait and see. Wait and see.
You wait on the kitchen.
We're waiting. How about we do another cool experiment that Mommy found earlier?
Yeah, I want one.
And this one's with Skittles. All of this candy, right? I bet you guys really like this one, huh?
so we're gonna put, my mama should have done it this way. We're gonna put these in the middle and see what happens. Like make a circle out of it. So I'm gonna help Mommy. Let's see. Did you just eat it?
Sneaky, I saw that.
You
You're
too?
slick, dude. Slick.
Oh my goodness, we're not gonna have enough Skittles if you eat them all.
All right, make a circle, guys.
You got it? Can you turn the plate for you?
You look at me.
Like a C. Yep. We're closing it. It's gonna look like a O. Uh-oh. Did it roll away from you? Let's skip this one. Okay, let's see what happens. Let Mommy get some water.
Water.
So what is this experiment?
Hey, look at this.
We're gonna see
Oh, you
what
got
happens.
muscles? You're funny.
We're gonna see what happens when the colors, when the water hits the Skittles. Let's see. Because the colors should slide off of it. Let's see.
Daddy, look at these.
Let's get close. What was that, Lisa? They should slide. What are they supposed to do?
The colors, look, if you look closely, the yellow's coming off already. It's gonna go in the middle.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy.
I see the line.
Look at this. Do you see what it's doing, guys?
I wonder that if there's a bird. Wow. It makes it like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow?
And like yellow, black, no, yellow, red, black, yellow, green, green,
I definitely think that's
black,
purple, no?
yellow, orange. Mommy, pick the
The plate is black, but that's purple, dude. It's
Yeah,
dark
one more gummy
colors.
bears.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Look at how the colors,
Skittles and water. Just straight water, huh?
straight water.
Oh my
Did you know that? Did you know that that can happen like that? See? You guys eat all of this candy, right? And you never know that you could actually make a experiment with it.
Look
never
at,
know it.
look how it's changing colors, how the colors coming off of it. It's turning white.
Wow.
I like white.
You like white?
Yeah.
So can you imagine what happens in your belly?
Uh-huh.
So do you think your belly's all colorful like that? When you eat it? Right? Is that why your tongue gets that color too? Yeah?
Like a slushy.
Like a slushy?
You like slushies, huh?
Yeah, if you put in slushies, he put it.
No, he didn't.
He wants more candy.
Oh, okay, good.
Look at the colors on that. Isn't that so cool?
Oh, the side's holding purple.
Wow. What does it look like?
Like dog poop.
No, it doesn't.
It's like a circle color. Like, it's like a rainbow.
Yeah, it is like a rainbow, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I think it looks like a bird, like a beak right there.
You see mine changing color?
Yeah, we gotta wait on the,
Mine's not changing.
So, Logan, what's going on with the salt gummy bear?
The cell gummy bear?
Do you think you're gonna want to eat this after they come out?
This one make it go change color.
Changing colors? I think the salt one, if you look at it, the color's coming off of it.
the color is completely coming off of the gummy bears.
It looks like it's shrinking a little bit.
This one right here, the sugar, it look like it's preserving pretty well in sugar.
Uh-oh.
Alexa,
The regular,
stop timer.
look like a bunch of little, I
Gummy.
don't know if the
Gummy
gelatin
too.
is coming off of it, right? Look like it's flaking or something.
I
Just
feel like
check yours out.
his regular is a little bit different.
The salt water, look like the yellow here. Man, that looks really small, it's shrinking. And then this one here is the sugar. And then this is the regular water. And it looks like this guy here is getting pretty big. This regular water one is swelling.
We're gonna keep these two so you can compare
You can
them.
compare those. So what do you think happened, guys, huh?
I think might go to explode.
It's gonna explode.
Oh,
What's gonna
explode.
explode?
It might go bigger and it goes to pop. Look at this one.
Yeah?
Look at this one.
That's the, which one is that one?
The
The
red.
sugar.
That's the sugar one. It looked like it's doing pretty good and the sugar didn't turn colors. Which one is your favorite, London?
This one.
The green one? And the regular water, huh? Turned out pretty good. So what do you think about your experiment?
Oh, that bad.
Huh?
Not bad because this
That one's not working? Is that the regular one?
Yeah.
Probably because you can hardly see it. It's lighter than the other ones, huh? Hey, but at least you get to eat the gummy bears, right? Right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, it just about wraps it up. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
You did. Was it fun? Super fun, right? Next experiment is going to be super cool. We got an awesome idea for you. All right? All right, tell everybody bye. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for subscribe.